In this lecture, I will show you a glimpse of the audio cleanup process. After completing this course, you will be able to make your audio as clean as I am going to show. I have two tracks of the same audio. I will improve the second track. I have developed a on-click solution where all the necessary audio effects are in one place and in the correct order. Select the whole track by double-clicking inside it and go to the Tools menu. From Apply macro, you can choose what kind of improvement you need. So far, I have developed 11 different kinds of solutions like clear vocal, ESS reduction, intelligent voice, podcast improvement, etc. After completing my course, you can also develop this kind of solution on your own. Let's assume I want to upload this audio to the Apple Podcast. So I will choose Apple Podcast Improve. The audio has become better and suitable for Apple Podcast with just a click. Let's listen to the original and improved audio and we can hear the difference. Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. Why you should use Audacity? Audacity is a free audio recording and editing software available on Windows, Mac and Linux. It has the easiest user interface among the audio editing software. Even if you are a beginner, you can start using Audacity with a very small learning curve. You have to learn the basics of audio editing and you are good to go. To clean up audio recordings using Audacity, you have to know some basics about the audio data. Though Audacity is 100% free, it is powerful enough to do professional quality work. Many full-time voice artists and audiobook narrators also use Audacity. If you wish to get these macros, you can get them from here. I'll give the link in the description. These macros works on Windows, Mac and Linux. The installation process is very easy as importing some text files. You will get a details video on this page description. These macros can make your learning process faster and better, as you would see how things are configured for different requirements. Please continue watching the next lectures to learn what effects to apply for clean audio. It is also important to find the perfect configuration. So watch a lecture and practice with the recording you have. If you are watching this video on YouTube, it is part of my audio cleanup course. If you have not enrolled in this amazing course, please check the description for the course enrollment link.